I'm looking for a place to rent.
I'm looking for a room.
I'm looking for an apartment.
I'm looking for a house.
I need something affordable.
I'd like to rent a room.
I'd like to rent an apartment.
Is this still available?
How much is the rent?
Is the rent paid monthly?
Are bills included?
Is Wi-Fi included?
Is the place furnished?
Is there a deposit?
How much is the deposit?
Can I see the place?
When can I view it?
Is it far from the city center?
Is it close to public transport?
Is the area safe?
I like the place.
It looks nice.
It's too expensive.
It's a bit small.
It's perfect for me.
I'd like to take it.
When can I move in?
Can I sign the contract?
How long is the lease?
I need some time to think.
Is this room still available?
Yes, it is.
How much is the rent?
It's €700 per month.
Are bills included?
Some of them are.
Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it is.
Is the place furnished?
Yes, fully furnished.
How much is the deposit?
1 month's rent.
Can I see the room?
Yes, of course.
When can I view it?
This evening.
Is it far from the center?
No, about 15 minutes.
Is it close to public transport?
Yes, there's a bus stop nearby.
Is the area safe?
Yes, very safe.
Do you like the place?
Yes, I do.
Is it too expensive?
A little bit.
Would you like to take it?
Yes, I think so.
When can you move in?
Next week.
How long is the lease?
6 months.
Do you need time to decide?
Yes, just a day.
Are pets allowed?
No, unfortunately not.
Is smoking allowed?
No, it isn't.
Do you have any questions?
Not at the moment.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.